tap disassembly. So you'll see there's a pin going through the handle. You squeeze that little bit at the end and slide the pin back. Sits there. The handle then comes apart like this. There's a spring, and then this slides down the bottom. This is the bung, which you can normally wash in hot soapy water, then put it back in, and with a new bit of lube on it. I treat this like a rocket ship, and that's the booster, and that's the little pilot in the rocket ship. So it goes that way. It does not go back in the machine that way. There's only one way it can go. You slide it back up, so the little cockpit where the rocket man is sitting is flush with the top of the front of the bowl. I then put the spring on. The top of the handle can only go one way on. An easy reference is to look at the other bowl. If you do wash them one at a time, it goes on that way. And the way I put it on is I treat that like a cigarette. I have the same hand holding the handle. Now these have holes in them, which I've got to line all of them up. The only way to do that is to put the handle in that way, so the holes line up with the holes that are on the bowl. I anchor my thumb underneath there, so it provides a foundation, and you pull your fingers down and then slide the pin in.